grab the tail and wrap it around your middle finger, crisscrossing the working yarn in the front with the tail hanging down. Now go under the tail, grab your working yarn and do a chain. So this is how we'll start our magic ring. The chain is there, but it's not written in the pattern. We assume that we all do it. And then we do 6 single crochets. So this was row 1. Grab your marker. We are ready for row 2. Into the first single crochet, we will do an increase, which means 2 single crochets. And then we'll do an increase in each stitch, which means each stitch will get 2 single crochets for a total of 12 single crochets at the end of the round. Back here at the beginning, now I can tighten my magic ring. Move your marker under your hook, and now the next row will be increase, and then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And then we have increase again, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch till the end of the round. Row number 4 starts with an increase, and 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. Row number 5 starts with an increase and 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. We go in a continuous spiral, so we do not slip stitch into the first stitch. Row number 6 starts with an increase and 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. Oh, I forgot to put my marker here. It's right here. And the last row starts with an increase and 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. So now you can pull your marker and close the little gaps here and there. So here it is, a bunch of coasters made with the same pattern, but if you use a thicker yarn or smaller hook or use a bigger hook, they'll all change in size. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe. The flower starts with a magic ring. Wrap around your middle finger, bring the tail in front of your working yarn, get your hook, grab your working yarn under the tail, and do a chain. Tighten just enough, and then do 2 more chains. Into the same ring, we'll do 1 double crochet, and then chain 2, and we are going back into the ring and doing a single crochet there. And this is our first petal. We will do 4 more petals for a total of 5 petals. So chain 2, double crochet into the ring, and then chain 2, single crochet into the ring. And here is the second petal. When we are done and we pull that tail to tighten the ring, we'll have a perfect flower. And I'll keep going with a chain, double crochet, chain. When you're at the last single crochet there, you can cut your yarn, you can tighten your ring and flatten your flower, and now you can just sew it to your coaster. For the succulent coasters, I used a 4-weight yarn with a 4mm crochet hook, a little smaller hook than the one recommended. And for the tiny little flowers, to make them dainty, I used cotton yarn that's much thinner, and I used a 3mm crochet hook for that. I hope you like this tutorial. Check out the other set of coasters that are coming up right after this video. Have a wonderful time, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.